see, we are in Mayur Vihar, where about more than 2,000 people had assembled in order to buy liquor, but lathi charge here has of course resulted in people getting back. You see a group of police officers who had come, more than 1,000 people had assembled here in order to buy liquor at 70% special corona tax. Behind me is a group of police officers who have of course emptied and vacated this crowded place where people in huge numbers had assembled, despite government imposing a huge special corona fee of 70%. People are willing to buy liquor at higher rates, and of course this whole lane and area was covered with a huge crowd which now has been dispersed. If I ask my cameraman to pan the camera there, you will still see a group of people who are waiting here in Mayur Vihar 1. This was the only shop that was asked to open on the norms of morning 9 a.m. to 6:30 a.m. Yesterday also shops were shut because of flouting social distancing norms in Delhi. People were not obeying the distance and the safety norms, and thus shops were shut. And this has happened again today because people are not obeying the rules. The police has taken this decision of shutting. Well, the 70% increase in the 70% imposition of special corona fee could add up to revenues to the state government, is what an official from the ministry hinted. But more than that, it was also done in order to of course handle a situation that could arise. But clearly on ground it's a different situation. People have assembled, are assembling and willing to buy. In fact, Andhra Pradesh government also took this decision of increasing the liquor price by 50%. That is, in total right now, if you go to buy liquor in Andhra Pradesh, you have to pay 75% extra in order to buy. They've increased the prices by 75% in total. We are in Delhi in Mayur Vihar Phase 1. Mojo Story has come here to check the on-ground situation of the way liquor stores have been managing. Day 2 of opening, yet very, very chaotic. India definitely took a decision in order to relax certain norms, but clearly this is too chaotic and flouting social distancing norms in a situation where we have crossed more than 40,000 cases in the country. We have about more than 35,000 active cases in the country and about more than 1,000 deaths, yet people are here in huge numbers.